Hi, today we received a delivery of one of our most popular products at Kuma. It's the long-range, high-power USB wireless adapter. As far as the product goes, nothing's changed whatsoever. Simply plug the adapter into your laptop and connect any Windows 10 or Windows 8 laptop to a wireless signal up to a mile away. No drivers required. It installs itself and off you go. Get your laptop connected. What has changed though is inside the box. There's been a lot of talk in the UK recently by the British government and by supermarkets about banning plastic throwaway disposable packaging. We're talking about the packaging you just tear off and throw in the bin. Supermarkets talking about it, government talking about it. Kuma has done something about it. No outside sleeve, no removable plastic film. Slide off the cardboard cover, open the cardboard box. Inside, 100% recycled cardboard holder. Government's talking about it, supermarkets talking about it. At Kuma, we've done it.